Okay, so you're going to be logged into your AdWords account, and basically the first thing you want to understand is over here. This far left is going to be your actual account navigation. Okay, so this is where you're going to have all of your. So you can click this tab, and it shows you all your search campaigns listed out down here. Click this one, it's going to show all your display. Click this one, it's going to show all your video. And then below this line here, once you have whichever one selected you want to see, is where all your campaigns are going to be. So today I'm going to walk you through our white label campaign. It's the only active one we have right now. So basically this is it. This is the account navigation, all right? Now this, once you're in your campaign, you can see we're in our white label campaign right here. This is the campaign navigation. So this is how you're going to jump around to different things in your campaign. Now, you might be thinking, what the hell is this? What are we looking at? Well, this is just basically the homepage of your campaigns, the new homepage of your campaigns. Okay, it's just overview. You can see here we have some quick hit stats that you can tweak to make these say whatever. You can do clicks, impressions. You have a bunch of choices you can just do here for quick hit stuff. And then it just kind of gives you an overview here of ad groups, keywords, searches, locations, devices, most shown ads, your ad schedule stuff. And it's just a place where it pulls all of the data and just displays it for you. So that's that. Recommendations is over here. If you click this tab, it's going to analyze your account, and Google will suggest some optimizations to do. As you can see here, we have a shitload, but these are for every campaign under MCC, which is why it's so many, which is just insane. But anyways, skipping on down from that, we've got ad groups here. This is going to be the ad groups, and up here you can see we have auction insights. So from here you'll be able to go into any ad group you want to work out of or make your adjustments. Now you might be thinking, oh, the columns, how do I do the columns? I got asked that question a lot recently. Really, really, really easy. Just come right up here to this little icon here, modify columns, click that. Then you can toggle drop down boxes here and choose whatever you want to see. So as you can see here, conversions, whatever, hit apply, and that's your new columns. Really easy stuff. Up here you got your auction insights, so that's where that would be. And then here is your ads and the ad extensions. So you got all your ads in here at the campaign. Remember, we're at the campaign level for all this right now. So these are your ads. Here's your extensions. So if you wanted to add new ad extensions, you just click this. Like I said, guys, this is really easy. They did a really good job of nicely organizing and laying everything out. So if you want to add site links, call out, whatever, you can just do that here. You click this, it opens up, and you can do that. Hit save. Really simple. Landing pages. Here's where they'll drop all this stuff, your ad groups and stuff like that. Expanded landing pages. Keywords. Here's the keywords for the campaign. And up here is the negative keywords. So here's your list of negatives. And then over here, the most important is your search terms. Search term report. We'll be able to pull that stuff. Scroll down here to audiences. You'll be able to add your audiences here. Campaign or ad group level. All your good stuff here. Exclusions. So if you want to exclude certain audience aspects, do whatever you got to do. Demographics. Age, gender, household income, and there's some more. I'm not going to dive too deep into all these. I'm sure if you guys are watching this, you know mostly about demographics and how they work with AdWords. If not, stay tuned. There's a video coming out that I'm going to make about that. And then we have our settings for the campaign. So as you can see, pretty self-explanatory. I thought this was pretty cool. You can set a goal for the campaign, leads, sales, web traffic, whatever. Kind of took a cue from Facebook, it looks like. You got your networks here. Very important. Make sure if you don't want to run display that this is not checked, because sometimes it will auto check when you create a new campaign if you don't turn it off, and then you'll get crushed. Locations, language, budget, bidding. So under bidding is where you'll be able to, if you want to change your bidding strategy, you can come right here. It's got a drop down. I thought this was pretty cool too. So you can choose all your different bidding strategies. And then we got the start and end date you can add here. Ad rotation, location options, very important. Pretty cool. Like I said, really easy to use and navigate. Then you got your location tab here. If you want to edit or do whatever, you can still do the radius and all that cool stuff. Add schedule. If you want to tweak that, you just come in here. You can add or do whatever you want to do. Devices. So this is where you'll adjust your device bids. Do your percentages, increase, decrease, whatever you need to do to optimize your campaign. Then you got some advanced stuff with the calls. Make a bid adjustment for the call only stuff. And then obviously we got the change history and drafts and experiments and all that stuff. So